Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. So from today we will start our live class together. So in economics we already completed our first chapter and second chapter also, but today I will discuss some question answer from the second chapter. Okay, so any of you have any problem from the first chapter and the second chapter also? Some part if you can't understood, then you can ask to me. Okay, so start our first questions. What are the final goods and the intermediate goods? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so final goods are those goods that are ultimately consumed by the consumer rather than used in production of another goods. Okay, so which goods we only use for our consumption, finally consumption. So these are, we can say these goods are final goods. Or which goods are intermediate goods? Intermediate goods are those goods, okay, which are used and inputs in the production of the final goods. Okay, so for making the final goods we need the intermediate goods, because this intermediate good used as the raw material or input for making the final goods. Okay, so let's see one example. One person sold a car. Okay, so this is the consumer. When he buy one car, obviously for their self consumption, they use for their self consumption. Okay, so this car for his or her, this one is the final goods. Or any component of car like tire. Okay, tire is used for the further production of the car. So the component of the car like tire, so this one we can say the intermediate goods. Okay, let's see another example. We eat the bread, right? So this bread made by what? Wheat. From wheat we can get the bread. So this one we can say final goods, and this one we can say intermediate goods. So this one also, this type of question also will come, like what are the difference between the intermediate goods and final goods? Okay, so the next question is, how do they help in calculating gross domestic product? That means how final goods and intermediate goods are helped in calculating gross domestic product. So this question with the same questions, okay? How they help in calculating GDP. Okay. So, GDP means what? Gross domestic product. So, now all of you knew that one, what is the gross domestic product. Again I repeat here, all the total value of all goods and services which are produced in a country, within a country during a particular year. So, within a territory or one country, whatever produced from the all the three sector, primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Okay. From the all these three sector, what are the produced goods or services, the total value of these goods or services during a year, we can say this one is GDP or gross domestic product. So, when we calculate our GDP, we only count the final value of the goods. Okay? Here we not included the value of intermediate goods. Why? Because the value of intermediate goods already included in the value of final goods. Okay. So, when we purchase the bread, okay, here we pay for bread, but the value of wheat also included in the value of the bread. Okay. So, wheat is the intermediate good, and also if I say about the industrial sector. Okay. So, there are some production process by which the bread made from the wheat. Okay. So, there also for the packaging, the value of packaging also included the final value of bread. Okay. So, when we calculate the GDP, we only include the final value of goods and services, not we counted the intermediate value of the intermediate goods. Okay. So, there are the two questions, what are the final goods and intermediate goods, and how do they help in calculating gross domestic product. Now, we shift to our next questions. Okay. So, difference between the seasonal unemployment and disguised unemployment. Okay. In the e-portal, in assignment, I already given the type of unemployment in India. So, we already know what are the situation or what are the scenario of the unemployment in India. So, we can see two type of the unemployment in the India. One is the urban area, another is the rural area. So, in rural area, basically we can see two type of the unemployment. One is the seasonal unemployment, another is the disguised unemployment. This seasonal unemployment we also can see in the urban area also. Okay. So, let us start the difference between the seasonal unemployment and disguised unemployment. Okay. So, when we give any difference, then first we have to give the definition. So first, what is the definition of the first point? Definition of the disguised unemployment. So what is the disguised unemployment? Disguised unemployment means the situation where the marginal productivity is zero or it is not visible and found among wage earners, mostly in agriculture. Okay, so if in one family there are the 5 members and they have some land and they cultivated their land, and for cultivating their land they needs only 3 persons, 3 person enough for their cultivation, but the remaining 2 persons they also worked in their field. Okay, so these 2 persons are not needed. Okay, these 2 persons are not needed, but they also work. So they are not give any productivity to our production process, or they not give any contribution to our national income which increases our economic growth. That's why we can say the marginal productivity is 0. Okay, so this is called the disguised unemployment. And if we say about the seasonal unemployment, getting unemployment only for the part of the year in certain sector like agriculture is called seasonal unemployment. So during the whole year only few months or few time they are engaged in the work, like one harvester. Okay, they harvesting the land. Okay, so only the harvesting time they engage in work, the remaining time they have the no work, so they are unemployed. Okay, so now the second point for the disguised unemployment, it is mostly found in agriculture. Obviously disguised unemployment only we can say in the agriculture sector, and seasonal unemployment we also have seen in the agro based industry. Okay, if I say one industry remove, কেউ তো এসে বলেও নি, কেউ এসে বলেনি কতক্ষণ। ও তুই আবার ফার্স্ট থেকে শুরু করতে হবে।